Hey, it's me. In the following video, I'm going to set up the electronic equipment onto the bed at high speed. Okay? High speed. High speed? High speed, man. High speed, bro. Yeah. All the organizers, the power supply, the breadboards, and the lamp, and stuff. Hello. Here I am again. All of a sudden, a long time later too, like over 5 hours later. I know. It's weird. But yeah. Deal with it, son. Deal with it. Anyway, thing is that I have organizers set up here, but they're a little bit different than at the end of the video I just showed. Let me show you how this is. Limited Chords Productions presents. Okay, here by the counter. Jeez. There. We have some carrots. Stacking as a support for a block of wood here. A small organizer that had a lot of transistors. And epoxy glue. The Rebel. The tackle box containing transistors and diodes galore. And the other organizers set up as such. With the TV. With its Betamax. Point to hot light. Hot light I call it. Because it's really hot to the touch whenever I grab it. Even the ceramic thing right there. The ceramic base. To try to show you more, but yeah. Down there is my homemade power supply. So that's what I got so far. Be one with the hand. The hand guide. I got my taped headphones. Because the headphone broke off. And I still have more things to, excuse me, chicken soup, put onto the desk. No, I didn't have chicken soup, it's just a tradition. If Evan Rogers, my friend, sees this video, he will understand wholeheartedly what I mean. Here's something you might consider useful. To electronics people, it probably is very beautiful to behold. Very important piece of paper. I want it nearby. Stick it up here. Now, some more things I need to get over here. We have breadboards that need to go. Proto board PB105 by Global Specialities. Bought this in late 2004, like about the end of December 2004, for more money than I'd want to spend, but yeah. I put the wires on, connect all the rails, and used permanent marker to mark the red and black lines on it. Every now and then I have to redo the lines because they'll fade. I know I talk too much. I take too much time. Ah, look at this. Oh yeah, it's old. But it contains a lot of old, pinouts for different transistors, which is very handy. Oh wow, and it has 2 transistors in one case. Generator. If you've seen the video about Ford Electronics answering machine, it features this in use, making an AC bias signal to make a recording with the signal generator. Okay, you have an analog exerciser, well, I'll say you have a digital exerciser. Very, very useful item. The reason why I'm angling it like this is so the light from this thing will shine on it nicely. You know, I can also angle the light, but the ceramic base is hot to the touch, so I don't want to hold that for too long. It's just hanging there by a wire, this light. I have it plugged into a certain power strip that actually has a a switch next to each plug on it, so you can switch it on and off that way instead of having to plug it in and unplug it. I'll try to show that power strip. It's pretty cool. Right here, I believe this power strip was bought in either Taiwan or China. It's got the Chinese characters on it. It's not just bought in USA but made in China. It's actually like a genuine Chinese product, I think. Really, really cool. Also, breadboard wise, one of my favorites, the homemade powered project board. Very nice. Positive and negative voltage regulators, power supply built into the breadboard. These are all Radio Shack breadboards hooked together, screwed down onto this peg board here, which is in this little case. And yeah, and it was made in 2004. 2004 was a good year. You get your tweezers, the writing utensil, Pentel P205, and a little light, which is also a pen. Saying that reminds me of a book can also be a hat. I'm sure you'll recognize that. Matter of fact, writing utensils multiply. These aren't even all the mechanical pencils I own, but listen, just listen to the sound of shaking the lids. All together at the same time. It's quite amazing. Yep. Well worn. Cool blue lights. So he had a whole bunch of the kits like this. I think that's awesome. Of course, I don't build them on the kits. I did some building on the kits when I first got them. But no, I like to build them on breadboards much rather than building them on the kit, than on the spring terminals, you know. I'm sure, you know, the breadboard just comes a lot nicer. Put that up there where I did put this paper. I'll put this paper right over here. You can't see where I'm doing it. I'm not moving the camera this time, but what it is. This video is too long. That's what it is. What it is. Is it the video? Breadboards. Yeah. Interesting light, isn't it? You see the bottom of my mattress right there too. Hope those cords don't cause any problem. They're insulated, so I wouldn't think they would.